In this video, are we going to see an imminent Bitcoin breakout anytime soon? And take a look at this, guys, at the daily time frame. Are we currently seeing a potential Bitcoin tradable opportunity? And yeah, we're going to give you an update regarding our next big trade. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, welcome back to the Gabs Cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. Diba sa previous analysis natin, we are monitoring actually two things, and that is number one is this ascending channel forming dito the in actually all time frames, and the other thing is this symmetric triangle na nag-form sa ating 4-hour time frame. And diba traditionally symmetric triangle is a 50-50 mover and you are going to get the hype, then we're going to watch out for the potential breakout nito, either bullish or bearish. So yun yung diniscuss natin sa previous video. Now, di ba sabi ko din sa previous video na if ever na magkaroon tayo ng breakout from this ascending channel, ito, if nagkaroon ng breakout dito na pababa, ang kailangan natin ng confirmation if na mag-open tayo ng short position is kailangan natin ng sell volume. And take a look at this, we are not seeing any sell volume, see we are not opening any short position as of the time being. So in that case, wala pa tayong open na trade sa ngayon. So ano ba yung next trade natin dito na binanggit natin sa previous video? So the other thing na mention natin is this breakout from the symmetric triangle. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is just bouncing on and off from this symmetric triangle. So right now, what we are actually expecting is for Bitcoin to have a breakout anytime soon siguro within the next 48 hours. Yun yung aking ina-expect na somewhat of a timeline. And in this case, if magkaroon tayo ng breakout, then ano ba yung magiging target natin dito with the Bitcoin price action? So taking a look at this update dito, you can see na our first target would be around the $71,500 US, which is the previous all-time high ni Bitcoin. So that is our first target. So you can place a sell order once na ma-reach natin itong 71.5. Now, ano ba yung magiging next target natin? So as you can see, the next target would be around the $75,000 US, and that would mean na we are going to see a new Bitcoin all-time high, provided na we are going to see a Bitcoin breakout with buy volume. So take note, dapat magkaroon tayo ng candle close above this area with buy volume, and if nangyari yun, then saka tayo mag-open ng long position. So sa ngayon, di pa tayo nakita ng ganung breakout, so wala tayong na-open na trade as the time being. Personally, wala din ako in-open ngayon kasi of course, I wanted to see first na magkaroon muna siya ng breakout bago ako mag-open ng kahit anong long position. So right now, yun yung aking inaabangan talaga dito with the Bitcoin price action, the symmetric triangle, and for the time being, not much of a big movement, not unless we see this big breakout dito kay Bitcoin. And yun yung sinabi ko sa previous video na yun yung ating next big trade natin. So, right now, I am actually just going to wait this one out for the time being. But once na magkaroon na tayo dito ng breakout, then of course, I am going to open a long position dito. And I'm going to open din dito kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit mas mura natin Bitcoin trading fees. And take a look at this, guys. If you're also going to look at the stochastic RSI in the daily time frame, you can see na nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross dito. So that is somewhat indicating na we might see a bullish movement anytime soon. But talking about stochastic RSI in the weekly and monthly, maganda siya sundan. But in the smaller time frames, medyo 50-50 siya kasi there are times na yung stochastic RSI ay hindi masyadong susunod if nagkakaroon ng bullish cross. Something like this, oh. Take a look at this, tong April 16, 2024. Nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross, while we actually saw a pump that did happen, but that did not signify a long-term bullish movement. So what I'm expecting is if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross, then we are going to see somewhat of a big move dito kay Bitcoin, a big candle sa daily time frame, and this could somewhat potentially say na we are going to trade this symmetric triangle na binabanggit natin dito sa 4-hour time frame. So yeah, right now, since this is in the 4-hour time frame, we are going to monitor this time to time and not on an hourly basis, but siguro more of siguro like every other time, like every other 4 hours or every other 8 hours, then doon natin siya i-monitor. But for now, yung nakita natin, abang-abang lang tayo dito, and this looks like going to be a big move dito kay Bitcoin. So yeah, I am actually waiting for this one out. And yeah, If di pa kayo marunong mag-open ng kahit anong trade or if you want to learn different technical analysis, make sure to check out Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. We have all of the crypto tutorials for free. It's available guys in the description down below. Just check that one out. Then of course, matututunan nyo doon kung paano ba gawin yung mga analysis na ginagawa ko dito. At the same time, matututo din kayo paano mag-open ng Bitcoin trades kay Bybit. So, yeah, all of those links and resources are available guys in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.